Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT2 to an Android phone. First, make sure your watch has at least 20% battery life. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your Android device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, ensuring your watch is ready to connect. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app and go to the Devices section. Tap Add Device, then select Smartwatches and choose the Huawei Watch GT2 series. Your phone will then search for your watch. Once found, confirm the pairing request on both your watch and your Android phone. This usually takes just a few seconds to complete. After pairing, you'll need to grant the Huawei Health app all necessary permissions. This ensures features like heart rate monitoring and notification delivery work correctly. Also, allow the app to run in the background to maintain a stable connection between your watch and phone. Once permissions are set, your watch will automatically begin syncing data, providing you with comprehensive health insights. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If your watch isn't connecting, try restarting both your Huawei Watch GT2 and your Android phone. If problems persist, clear the cache of the Huawei Health app. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your watch via Bluetooth. These simple steps resolve most common connection problems, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.